Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Redaf Halevi Nurdin in 9D. I will read about clover. Clover is a group of water spike Salviniales of the genus Marsilea, which in Indonesia are usually found on the edge of the fire field or irrigation channels. Description according to the Book of Flora, Steins et al. 2005. Clover is a plant with leaves standing alone in a fire. Petiole light and average 2 and 3 centimeter long. Crosses the child leaf opposite. And 2 and 18 board. Fan-shaped tendon leaf, emitting the water that does not appear above the water. All member heterospore and having two different types of sexual spores. The big spores many have food receive it named microspores, then megaspore. There is a small spores it named microspore from Microspore organium. The leaf of this plant, usually Marsilea crenata, commonly used as a food that is known as puzzle clover. Typical of the Surabaya area. Spore storage organ-colored spore crops. Marsilea drummondi is also used by indigenous Australia and Aborigines. Marsilea crenata is known to contain phytoestrogen, plant estrogen, that has the potential to prevent osteoporosis. This plant is also a potential bioremediation plant, being able to absorb heavy metal, CD and PB. This ability is compromised in the use of clover as a food ingredients, especially when the leaves are drawn from heavy metal contaminated. Thank you very much.